Poolcore aesthetic videos are pulling in millions of views on YouTube and TikTok right now. First, take a look at this channel. This channel has gained thousands of followers just by uploading poolcore and liminal space content, and many of its videos get millions of views. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to make these kinds of poolcore aesthetic videos using free AI tools. Watch until the end, because in just a few minutes, you'll be able to create your first poolcore video. First, open ChatGPT. Now type poolcore aesthetic. ChatGPT will give you multiple options for the type of poolcore content you want to create. Select any one of them. I'm going to copy the third one, paste it into ChatGPT. Now tell ChatGPT, give me image prompt and video prompt. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate an image prompt and a video prompt for you. Now, let's generate the image. Copy the image prompt. Open Google Gemini. Paste the image prompt here. Now click Generate. Wait a few seconds. Gemini is generating your image. Boom! Your poolcore image is ready. You can see how realistic and cinematic it looks. Now download the image. Next step, open your browser and type Google Flow. Open the first website. Now you'll see the Flow interface. Click on New Project, then click the plus icon and upload the image that we downloaded from Gemini. As you can see, our image is being uploaded. Perfect. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt that ChatGPT generated. Return to Google Flow. Paste the video prompt into the prompt box. Then click Generate. Wait a few seconds. Google Flow is now converting your image into a cinematic video. And boom! Your poolcore aesthetic video is ready. Now download the video. If you want multiple scenes, simply repeat this process and generate more images. If you want to learn how to create more faceless AI videos and discover hidden viral niches, make sure to subscribe to the channel and comment poolcore below. See you in the next video.